Welcome to Easy Maths. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at some examples that have to do with the sum of terms for a GP series. And so we begin with this question where we're told find the sum of terms in the following GP series. We have 10 plus 20 plus 40 plus 80 up to 14 terms. So we need to identify the A is 10, the R is 2, N is 14, the first term, common ratio, and number of terms. And now we use the formula where the value of R is greater than 1. And this is the formula here. So putting the values in the formula is going to operate as normal there. We have 10 for A, 2 for R, N for 14, N, 14 for N, and again R here. Simplify, and you'll be able to get 168,830 is your answer. Moving on to another example, we're told in a geometric series, the first term is 2, the common ratio is 3. Find the number of terms that will give a sum of 242. Again, we need to identify A. A is 2, that's what we're told. The first term is 2, the common ratio is 3, so R is 3. And find the number of terms that will give a sum of 242. So this 242 is really sum of a number of terms, and we don't know how many they are. So we attempt the question as follows. Put the values in the formula, considering this time around that we have 242 for the Sn, 2 for A, and 3 for R, but we don't know the value of N. So we just need to simplify until we get the value of N. Subtracting 1 from 3 gives us 2. 2 can divide by 2. Cancelling that away, you're going to get 242 is equals to 3n minus 1, and therefore taking 1 the other side, you get 243 is equals to 3 raised to the power n. And so 3 raised to the power n must be 3 raised to the power 5, therefore n must be 5, and that's the answer there. We're told to find the number of terms that give us up 242. First number of terms must be 5 terms. We move on to another example where we're told what's the least number of terms of the GP. We have 2 plus 4 plus 8 that will give a sum that's greater than 1,500,000. Well, as we do that, we need to identify the following. The first term is 2, that is A is 2. The common ratio is 2 also. And that's our R. Sn must and should be greater than 1,500,000. So what do? We put the values in the formula again. Almost what we've done here, only that we're going to have to maintain the greater than sign instead of an equal sign there. And so 2 minus 1 being 1, we're going to have to forget the denominator. And now we have 2 in brackets 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Dividing both sides by 2, you get 2 raised to the power n minus 1 is greater than 750,000. Taking the 1 the other side, you get 2 raised to the power n is greater than 750,000 and 1. So we need to solve this now using logarithms. Take logs of both sides. And taking logs of both sides, we're going to have this kind of a thing. Now, according to one of the logarithms, we can actually have this, before the greater than sign, we can have it written as n log 2. And so we'll need to divide both sides by log 2, in which case we're going to have the log of 750,001 divided by log 2 should be less than n, or n is greater than that. And therefore, we need to operate that using your calculator. The answer will be 19.52. If that's the case, therefore, the least number of terms should be 20. And so that should be the answer there. The least number of terms should be 20. That's the answer for the question as we told or as we asked there. Now check out for the next video where we're going to be trying out some more examples that have to do with the sum of terms for a GP series. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll appreciate your support, even your comments.